In the last video, we learnt words with the root mania. Do you know what mania means?
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Right. Mania means craze or madness. Logomania. Logomania means abnormal talkativeness. Logomaniacs talk so much that it gets difficult to understand them. Dipsomania. Dipsomania is the uncontrollable urge to drink alcohol. Bibliomania. Bibliomania is the craze for books. Onomatomania. Onomatomania is being mad about repeating certain words. Kleptomania is the madness for stealing things without any economic motive. Egomania. Egomania is the excessive madness about oneself. In today's video we will learn about phobias. Phobias meaning fear. Let's start. Claustrophobia is the fear of confined places. Cynophobia is the fear of dogs. Acrophobia is the fear of heights. Arachnophobia. Arachnophobia is the fear of spiders. Agoraphobia, fear of open spaces or crowds. Coulrophobia is the fear of clowns. After discussing some phobias or fears, let's look at the most common phobia. Do you suffer from this phobia? Write yes or no in the comments below. So, are you ready? Glossophobia. Glossophobia is the fear of public speaking, and also the worry about being judged by people. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions regarding the words you want to learn or have difficulty in understanding, please write to me in the comment section below.